Are you ready to make that one decision that brings you face to face with a healthier, happier you? Let me introduce you to the incredible world of Meal Prep Sunday, a service specifically designed to ensure you achieve the body and life you've always wanted. Now, they don't just claim to have it all figured out. They've meticulously designed a service to cover every aspect of my fitness journey. It all starts with their cutting-edge algorithm that calculates my precise macro and micronutrient needs based on the information I provided them on their website. That means accurate portions tailored to your fitness goals. Whether you're aiming for low carb, high protein, or anything in between, they've got you covered to ensure you're always eating exactly what you need. But Meal Prep Sunday doesn't stop there. They provide a synced 90-day training guide perfectly aligned with my meals to maximize my results. It's like having a fitness coach and a personal chef all in one. And now let's talk about variety. With a weekly changing menu of 15 mouth-watering meal options from different cuisines and flavors, I'm on a culinary adventure every week. What's even better is that their menu was fully customizable to my likes, dislikes, and dietary restrictions. This keeps me engaged and motivated on my fitness journey, so there's no room for boredom or a wandering eye at the drive-thru line. Everything I need is at home. Meal Prep Sunday takes pride in providing meals made from locally sourced organic produce. And here's the secret to their meals' incredible freshness: vacuum sealed packaging. No leftover taste or loss of nutrients, just a burst of flavors that taste as if they were freshly made in the kitchen by that personal chef fitness coach hybrid I mentioned earlier. And as a bonus, I am thrilled to support a company that cares about the environment. Meal Prep Sunday is environmentally friendly by supplying reusable items, thus reducing their carbon footprint and waste. They even hire locally, which supports the community, which is getting more and more important these days. With free delivery at your convenience, no contracts or cancellation fees, there's no reason not to achieve your fitness goals. So what are you waiting for? Take that one step towards a healthier, happier you. Sign up today and get meals for $5.90 each. A deal I haven't seen anywhere else. Make the decision that will finally change your life with Meal Prep Sunday.